Okay, today we're gonna do a video on replacing my idle pulley, and it goes right here. So the other one just ripped to pieces, it's tore up, so I got to take this off. And what I'm gonna use to take this off, take this ripped up belt off, and I'm gonna use a 50 T50 wrench to take this off right here. It's gonna fit in there and it's gonna loosen it and take that off. But first I'm gonna take the belt off, and then I'm gonna go down in here, try to find this bolt. But first, let me take this breather off right here, because it'll always be in the way. What I do is slide it back and then pull it straight out. Now you have, once I pull my bar over, I have the space. So I got to get it situated on there. There's a bolt right underneath here. Right underneath and in front of this pulley. Yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna have to get me a little extension here, because it's not. Get me a little extension. Pull it out a little bit. There we go. Now I got a little extension on it. Go up in here, pull it out. There we go. Take this belt off. Get off all the way around. Take the tension off now, because the belt is really don't have no tension on it. I'll put this down. And let's go with this. Get that off. Come out of here. He's stubborn. I don't know why things always have to be so stubborn. Okay, there we go. It's a belt. We cut this belt down half the size. It's a good belt, but when that pulley, idle pulley broke, it just burnt the rest of it away. Yeah. Okay, let's see, can we break this bolt here? Take it off. Easy. It's easy. Once you take it off, you can screw it out with your hand. I don't know where it's at. Here. You can get it out so far, you can just screw the rest of it out with your hand. The hardest part is gonna be putting this belt back on, but it's not that hard to do it all the time. But where the belt at? Where's the that's it, right? That was all left of the idle of that pulley. That's it. So I guess you have to look and see which side is the front and which side is the back. So this is the front side, because it's sticking out more, and the back side is more in, sunken in more. So let's do this. Okay, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put some so let's do that. Now let's try to get this new belt on here. It's supposed to go all the way around the outside of all the belts. So can we do this? That one on there. Take the pressure off. Hold it with one hand. That's it. That's it. Pressure off. Good. Okay.